No, that's good. You're good. And if you would, just kind of pull that microphone down and speak loudly and clearly so everybody can hear you. Thank you. Mr. Oh, let's wait till everybody finds a spot.
Sure. Thank you.
Mr. Parker, you can come on the other side where we, slip. We're close. We're close. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Captain Ponder, would you introduce yourself to the court, please?
Yes, my name is Michael Ponder. I'm the captain of the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, and I'm the custodian of records and physical paper copies of inmate records to phone calls, messages, video recordings.
And at the Jefferson County Jail, are all inmate communications recorded?
Yes, sir. All telephone calls made from inside the dorms are recorded.
And can you explain to the court how that system works?
It is an automated system. Whenever the inmates make a call, they have to verify their inmate ID number with a personal PIN number that they create. And it also has a voice PIN authenticator that it has to match their voice to what the system has on file.
And are all those calls recorded?
Yes, every phone call that's made from the facility has a prompt whenever they first make a phone call stating that all phone calls will be recorded.
And is there an outside company that runs the technology and runs that system?
Yes, it is a company called Smart Communications. They maintain our phone systems.
And as the supervisor for inmate communications at the jail, are you a custodian of records made by that company as it pertains to inmate phone calls?
Yes, sir.
Is the system capable of making accurate recordings?
Yes, sir.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes, you may.
Showing you what I've already marked as State's Exhibit number 1 for purposes of this hearing. This is a thumb drive. Have you had an opportunity to review this earlier today?
Yes, sir.
And State's Exhibit 1, it is a recording of an inmate phone call, correct?
Yes, sir.
And can you identify the inmate who made this phone call?
It was Terry Rose.
And it was made on the 17th November 2025, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Is this a true and accurate copy of the phone call made by Terry Rose?
Yes, sir.
And as a custodian, you can identify this for the court and verify that this is, in fact, Terry Rose making a phone call from the jail.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, at this time, I'll offer an evidence State's Exhibit number 1.
Your Honor, I've been provided a copy and no objection, States 1.
States 1 is admitted.
And Your Honor, I will publish it later in the hearing.
Okay.
And I have no other questions for Captain Ponder and the best witness.
Thank you. Any questions, Mr. Burbank?
Just several questions, Judge. Ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
How you doing? How many phone calls, you're the custodian of the record, how many phone calls has Mr. Rose placed at your facility?
I can't tell you the total number. I haven't looked at every one of them.
Well, how much do you have, more than one?
Yes, sir.
More than 100?
I couldn't tell you exactly, sir.
Well, because they're only asking about one phone call, correct?
Yes, sir.
And so my question is, through your being the custodian of the record, would you acknowledge that he has made numerous phone calls since he's been at your facility?
I can't tell you how many phone calls he's made, but he has made phone calls at the facility.
Okay, well, let me ask you this. You were requested by the district attorney to retrieve the phone calls of Mr. Rose, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who did that? Did you do it or did you have someone else do it?
I just verified the phone call came from our system. It is pulled from the DA's office.
Okay, so the DA's office has the number of calls that he made at that facility.
I can't tell you how many calls they called. I was only called reference to one.
So out of all of them, if I represent to you, they had numerous calls. They've only asked you to testify to one.
Yes.
And do you know who he was talking to?
No, sir.
Do you know who he was talking about?
No, sir.
And do you know how long he's been at your facility?
Not the exact time, no, sir.
You don't know when he was booked in?
No, sir.
Thank you. Pass the witness, Your Honor, subject to recall.
Thank you. Anything else, Mr. Nichols?
I have another question for Captain Ponder, Your Honor. I'd ask that he'd be allowed to return to duty.
Do you really anticipate any other questions, Mr. Burbank?
I don't foresee any, Judge.
If we need you back, Captain Ponder, just make yourself available, but you're free to go. Thank you.
Yeah.
You may call your next witness.
State calls David Wiley.
Good afternoon, sir. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you, sir. You can have a seat. And Mr. Wiley, if you'll just pull that microphone kind of as close as you can and make sure you speak loud and clearly so that we can all hear you. And if it's a yes or a no question, be sure to say yes or no and not just a head nod or an uh-huh so the court reporter can take everything down.
Thank you.
You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Wiley, David, would you give your full name to the court reporter, please?
David Wayne Wiley,
And what city do you live in?
Nederland, Texas.
Have you always lived in this area?
Yes.
Were you born here?
Dallas.
And how long have you lived in Jefferson County? Sir?
About 30 years.
Where were you living in the summer of 1999?
Beaumont.
In the city of Beaumont?
Yes.
What kind of work were you doing?
Tow truck driver.
And as a tow truck driver, did you work for Terry Rose?
Not at that particular time, but I did in the past.
So as of 1999, you had worked for Terry Rose?
Yes.
Were y'all friends?
Yes.
Y'all hang out socially?
Yes.
Do you recall a phone call from Terry Rose the evening of July 9th, 1999?
Yes.
What did he want?
I'm going to meet him at Walmart on down the road.
Walmart on Dallin Road in the city of Beaumont.
Yes.
Did you meet him?
Yes.
Do you recall about what time this was?
Probably between 5 and 6, after 5 o'clock work.
You would have gotten off work at 5,
Yes.
and this happened shortly after that. Is that right?
Yes.
So when you went to Walmart to meet him, what did you see?
He was in Kim's car.
Now, when you say Kim, who is that?
Kim Langwell.
Kimberly Langwell?
Yes.
Did you know her?
Yes.
Did you know her to be an ex-girlfriend of Terry?
Yes.
Did you know for them to be close and have lived together for some time?
Yes.
Were you surprised when you saw him with her car?
Somewhat.
What did he say or do when you got there?
He said he wasn't happy with the location and for me to follow him down the road.
And where did you follow him to?
To the corner of Dowling and Phelan.
Is that known as the Westmont Center?
I believe it is. Used to be a Heritage store there and Market Basket and other businesses.
And what did y'all do there?
He parked the car and got in my vehicle and I drove him home.
You took him back to his house. Where was his house at the time?
On Lindbergh,
About a mile away?
give or take.
Did you see him, what was said, or what did y'all talk about when you were dropping him off at his house?
Very little other than just I would see him to shoot pool later that night.
Did you go shoot pool with him that evening?
I did.
Where was that?
Corner pocket,
Now, where's the corner pocket in relation to where y'all left her car?
probably 60, 80 yards from there.
Same shopping center, isn't it?
Correct.
Same parking lot.
Yes.
Did he tell you at that point why he needed to move her car?
He did not.
Did y'all hang out, drink beer, shoot pool that night?
We did.
How was he acting?
Normal.
Did you see him the next morning?
I did.
What'd y'all do the next morning?
Ate breakfast at Iron Skillet.
And what was that conversation like at breakfast?
Just kind of normal conversation about plans for the day.
Did Kimberly Langwell come up in the conversation?
I don't remember if it did or not.
Well, when did you have a conversation with Terry Rose about Kimberly Langwell?
Sometime, either Friday night or the next day sometime, he told me
What did he tell you?
that he had shot her.
Did he give you any detail as to how that happened or where he shot her?
The only thing he told me was the back of the head.
That he shot Kim in the back of the head.
Correct.
Did you ask why or what happened or anything like that?
I think I was too dumbfounded to ask anything else.
Did he tell you anything else about shooting Kim?
No,
Did he indicate it may have been an accident or anything like that?
no,
Did he tell you where Kim was?
no,
At some point, did he tell you what he had done with Kim's body?
yes.
When was that?
I believe it was sometime that weekend
And what did he tell you?
that he had dug a hole in the slab and put her under the slab.
The slab where?
His house.
House on Lindbergh.
Yes, sir.
That's where he lived, correct?
Correct.
Did he tell you which bedroom?
So I believe he indicated it was the front bedroom closest to the street.
And what was your reaction to being told that your friend had shot and killed a woman and buried her in his home?
Shocked, astonished, didn't know what to think.
Were you scared?
Absolutely,
Were you scared for your own life?
I was.
Now, the police asked you about this in 1999, didn't they?
Yes, they did.
And did you tell them the truth about what had happened and what Terry had said?
No, I did not.
Why not?
I was afraid that I was involved in something that was going to have me in deep trouble.
And so you kept your mouth shut, didn't you?
I did.
You kept Terry's secret
I did.
for a quarter of a century. Is that right? In 2024, were you again interviewed by Beaumont Police and called as a witness to testify in front of the grand jury regarding the disappearance of Kimberly Langwell?
Yes, I was.
And did you at first maintain the same story that you had originally told the police, that you didn't know what happened?
Yes.
After you did that, what happened?
As the days started going by, the thoughts just got too deep, too hard on me. I just couldn't put up with it anymore.
Did you contact an attorney and through them reach out to the district attorney's office?
Yes.
Or Beaumont Police?
Yes.
And tell them what?
Told him what happened, what he told me.
You wanted to tell the truth.
Yes. I couldn't live with it any longer.
And then did you give a statement to the effect of what you told us earlier?
Yes, I did.
That Terry Rose admitted to you he shot and killed Kimberly Langwell, shot her in the back of the head, and buried her under the slab of his house.
Yes.
Was that the truth?
Yes.
25 years after it happened, what made you come forward?
I didn't want to live it any longer. Tired of it being on my conscience.
Had you told anybody during those 25 years what Terry had told you?
No.
Is there any, do you have regret for not telling the truth earlier?
Absolutely.
Is there something you want to say to Tiffany McGinnis and her family?
I wish I came forward right when it happened.
Was it hard for you living 25 years knowing this secret?
Yes, very, very hard.
And you and I spoke about this. Is it weighing on you still, weighing on these years?
Yes.
At any point, did Terry bring this back up in the times you've seen him in the last 25 years?
No.
Have you seen him off and on since this?
Yes, I have.
And he never brought it up?
No.
I'll pass the minutes. Thank you, Mr. Wells.
Thank you, Mr. Nicholas. Mr. Burbank?
Good afternoon, Ms. Wiley. Back in 99, July of 99, how many times did the police come and talk to you when it first happened?
Just once.
Just once? And did you take part in trying to find Kimberly?
No, I did not.
You realized that they were trying, or they were a big effort in trying to find out where she was? You realize that, right?
Yes.
Search parties, going out, putting flyers around, asking anybody and everybody, billboards, things like that.
Yes.
Did you take part in any of that?
No, I did not.
You said at one time you were an employee of Terry, right?
Yes.
After this incident, were you employed by him? Did you work for him?
One at a time,
Okay, and how long did you work for him?
a year, maybe two.
Okay, and was he married at the time?
I don't know.
Did he have people living at the house?
I don't think he did. It was strictly a business. I didn't go to his house to see if anybody was living there.
And during that time, do you know roughly how long you lived with him between 99 and 2024?
Live with who?
I mean, I worked for him, excuse me.
Oh, probably 2 years.
Okay. During that time, you would see him on a daily basis?
Generally,
Never said one thing to him saying, hey, man, you gotta say something to somebody?
no,
Never did. Never went to the police?
no.
Back in how many times did you talk to the police between the original time in 1999 and 2024 when they came to your house just before Thanksgiving?
None.
You had a chance to tell them when they came to your door, right?
Yes,
I think it was two detectives, Detective Wilson and Detective Tamayo.
yes,
You didn't tell them that.
no,
After that, you were called back into the grand jury, correct?
correct,
And you could have told them then.
correct.
Did you have conversations? When did you start that? When did you actually stop talking to Terry after this incident? How long from today forward? I know he's been in jail since he's been arrested, but
The last time I spoke to Terry was in February at the swap meet in Conroe.
and what year was that? Was that 24 or 23?
24, I think.
24. So you basically have kept in contact with him up until the time he was placed into custody. You talked to the police, what, in April of 24? That sound about right? Or was it August? Well, April? May?
I'm not sure on the dates.
And you would agree not once until just recently, when I say that, within the year, last year, you said anything to anyone?
Correct.
Last witness, Judge.
I have no other questions, Mr. Wiley, Your Honor.
All right, any objection to Mr. Wiley being excused? Thank you, sir, you're excused. Do you want to move that microphone to the podium since we've changed?